Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you see, today we are going to do my morning skincare routine, and this is the product which I used recently for the night and for daytime. Yeah. And yes, today we are going to use English. We know I'm not good in English, but I'm in the village and don't have time for editing and subtitles, so I'm going to use English, and I hope you guys understand me. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Flo Baite, with a swollen face and a puffy eyes. Okay, let's go to our skincare. This is Neutrogena Deep Clean Daily Scrub, which I use daily for my T-zone area because I have a lot of very oily skin, so I use this every morning. Okay, now I already wet my face and take a little bit of the product and start scrubbing from starting from my nose to other part of the face. And if you have oily skin, I recommend this product because it clean our whiteheads and blackheads, and yeah, oil too. This is a good product for oily skin. Okay, I'm almost done with scrubbing to my face, and then I'll go down to my neck part too. I love cleaning my neck too. How about you guys? Please comment down below. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it out and come back. This is it after washing. Oh, this is so good. And now we are using salicylic acid daily cleanser, which is from Cosrx, and I'm gonna take a little bit of product and then we'll activate it before applying. Let's activate. This is how I activate foam's cleanser. Now it's ready. Let's start applying. Okay, we are almost done with applying to our face, and let's go down to our neck too. Don't forget to clean your neck because when the face and neck is not in the same shade, it's very difficult to see, you know. Okay, let's do a little bit massaging. After massaging, we are going to wash it off. Okay, this is my face look like after washing out, and today I use face towel. Mostly I'm using tissue paper because it helps in not spreading the bacteria all over our face. So I recommend using tissue paper instead of using face towel. I don't recommend face towel because as we are busy we cannot wash every day, so I recommend tissue paper. Okay, now it's time for toner. I use Innisfree green tea fresh toner and Cosrx Centella water. These two is my favorite toner right now. First, we are going to apply this Innisfree fresh toner with the help of cotton. This toner helps us to remove dark and the excess oil. Because of that, I'm in love with this product. This is how I apply my face toner with the help of cotton, and I never forgot to apply my neck too, and we'll dry it up. Okay, now it's already dry. Let's go to the next step. We are going to apply Centella water alcohol-free toner, which is from Cosrx, and it has a spray and it's easy to apply. Just spray it off to your face and just let it dry. I love this toner because it has a cool tone. After spraying to your face, it will give a cooling tone to your whole parts of your face and neck. This is why I'm so in love with this, and it's alcohol free, so it's not harmful to use. and let it dry, and I just apply the excess product because I don't want to waste the product because it's expensive, you know. Okay, this is my face look like after toner, and yes, I have pigmentations and big pores surrounding my cheeks and nose. Okay, no problem. Anyway, let's go to the next step, and this, I don't know how to pronounce this again, Nenege or something like that. This is a lip gloss which hydrated my lips and moisturized throughout the day. So I love this product. Okay, we are done with the lip gloss, and let's go to the next step, and this is my favorite part of the skincare, applying serum. Today we are going to use Minimalist niacinamide 10% serum, which is so good for oily skin and pimple wala or acne wala. I love this product because it control my oiliness of my skin and prevent from acne and breakouts. Ei mani ngai da na kha serum hoi ta le skincare product hi aman tam chana hoi alakiti hi rile hi loi kho aman tom le hoi tam pi umei kha aman tam mana hoi tin kha le mok ging ta sa lo dio. Okay, let's apply our second serum, Snail Bee Ultimate Serum, which is from Benton brand, and this is from a Korean brand. As we know, Korean brands are so good for our skin. This is the best serum, I guess. This serum helps my skin hydrate throughout the days. I'm really in love with this serum. Okay, now we are done with applying the serums, and it's already dry, and I don't want to waste the product, so I just apply it to my hand too. And let's go to the next step, which is moisturizing. I use Cosrx Oil Free lotion, which is so good for oily skin. I really love this product because it's oil free, so it's really suit my skin. Okay, we are done with the moisturizing, and let's go to the next step, which is the most important part of our skincare, SPF or sunscreen. Today I'm using Godal Green Tangerine or Tangerine or something like that, which is so good for oily skin again. I just take a little amount of the product, and I'm just gonna apply from the cheekbones. If you are a teenager and don't have any idea for skincare or don't want to apply any skincare stuff, but let me tell you, please use SPF and moisturizer. SPF to moisturizer khale mo a brand hoi deu original brand deu mo. Okay, we are almost done with our SPF, but don't forget to apply your neck too, because it's a part of your face. Your neck also, it's a part of your face, you know. I usually apply 2 layers of sunscreen. 1 layer is done, and now let's go to the second layer. Second layer here, I just apply to my cheekbones, nose and forehead, because the sun hit the most this part, forehead, cheekbones and nose. So I just applied 2 levels. We are almost done with applying the sunscreen. This is it, how my skin look like after applying all the products. And yeah, we have last step, which is hand cream. We are going to use a rose heart hand cream, which is so good for our hand, and this is the last part. I just apply to my hand, and that's it. I don't know whether it is good or not. And if you are trying to buy skincare stuff, don't buy in nearby store. Di ka kolte doorbell mo. They sell fake products, so it's so harmful for our skin. So if you try to buy a skincare product, just go and buy to a Nika or a website. Hoy daw daw inventisi to kon trying tango. Okay, that's all for our today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up. And if you like my skincare, or if you want to know my night skincare, please comment down below. And thanks for watching. Bye. This is our pedicure. If you want to walk here, you can contact me. The same thing không luôn luôn thể hi. Okay, bye. And don't forget to apply your sunscreen every 2 hours.